So join with me now in these words of wisdom and know this truth with me now. There is but one God, one mind, one power. Power is perfect love, it's divine intelligence. That power is flowing through me and with me and for me. Here today, I know that I am empowered. Here today, I know that I'm strong. Here today, I know I can move out in the world and be a blessing. That I can beam out God's goodness and kindness and compassion. Just like the lighthouse sends a beacon of hope and encouragement to the boats on the waters, I can lift up and inspire just by being the love, the compassion, and kindness God has called me to be. This is my truth. I celebrate this right knowing, and I release this prayer into the mind of God to do its good and perfect, bold and dynamic work, returning to me multiplied abundantly. And together we say, and so it is. All right, my dear friends, know this final truth with me. Your life is not a problem to be solved. It's a miracle unfolding. Your job this week is to go name your miracle, to proclaim your miracle, and to make it your own. God bless us all. Now, let us go be the miracle God has called us to be. This is Reverend Ken, and until we see each other again, many blessings. Hi, this is Reverend Ken. Thank you for joining us today. Be sure to like and share our video and comment on the video. It will mean a great deal to us. It will help spread our message out to a wider audience. So again, be sure to like us, to make a comment about us, or to share it with all your friends. It will do a great deal of good. Thank you so much.